Hello everybody, this is me Johan here. Today I'll be pitting the Oppo K1's in-display fingerprint scanner with a standard fingerprint scanner and give you guys an idea of how fast this in-display fingerprint scanner actually is. Alright, this will be a standard test between the stock fingerprint scanner, this is the Mi A1 by the way, and of course the Oppo K1's in-display fingerprint scanner. It'll be a 1-minute test, so without any further ado, let's start the fingerprint scanner speed test. Alright, without any more further ado, let's start the speed test in 1, 2, 3. I've been truly impressed with the fingerprint scanner performance on this Mi A1 ever since it received the Android Pie update. Prior to the Android Pie update, the fingerprint scanner on this phone was relatively quite slow. I was a little disappointed with the fingerprint scanner performance, but you can see for yourself, it's performing like a champ over here. I'll give you guys the final result once I'm done with this test right now, as in how many times it has unlocked within a period of about 1 minute's time. We're almost done right now. And we're done. Alright, let's start the test for the Oppo K1 in 1, 2, 3. As you guys can see, it's unlocking the phone pretty fast. The only problem, as you guys can see for yourself, is the reformation of the fingerprint to input that's taking time. This takes about half a second, and this is what's really costing the phone in terms of its speed. Otherwise, if you look at it properly, the fingerprint scanner speed is pretty fast. You can see it's instantaneously unlocking the phone. I'm pretty impressed with this in-display fingerprint scanner. Keep in mind, this is a relatively new technology used, and it's doing a pretty decent job. Keep in mind, this phone is only 17K. This was previously available on the OnePlus 60, and it's doing a job as good as it, I would say. I'm being pretty impressed with the fingerprint scanner performance on this phone overall. See, it's only that reformation. You can see it for yourself. It's this reformation that's costing the phone very, very badly. Otherwise, it's doing a very decent job, I would say, overall. We have a few more seconds to go. Let's see how it fares in the end. I think this will be our last one. And yeah, we are done. As you guys could see in the test, the Mi A1 to the left unlocked the phone 40 times, and the Oppo K1 to the right unlocked the phone just 20 times. That might look like double the difference, but if you actually look at it in terms of speed, it's not double as fast as the Oppo K1 in any ways or in any means. As you guys can see for yourself, just see, I'll unlock it right now, you can see for yourself. See, it's this reformation, it's that reformation of the fingerprint that costed this phone in terms of its speed. Otherwise, I'm telling you, it would have at least come somewhere near the Mi A1 in terms of its fingerprint scanner speed. So don't believe the myth that these in-display fingerprint scanners are slow. They're not slow, they're getting faster and faster, and I believe this technology is evolving and it is here to stay. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you all liked the video. If you guys loved the video, I'd appreciate it if you guys could give me a thumbs up. And if you all are interested in following me from here on, go and hit subscribe to my channel, Living with Tech. And right after that, hit the bell icon so that you all get notified with every single video that comes up on YouTube the second it's uploaded. I'm there on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. The links to all my social media, they're in the description below. So as it is as always, I wish all of you a tremendous day ahead of you. Ciao for now.